Hey everybody, it's me, your boy RJ. Today we're reviewing the Bomves mini chainsaw made in where everything is, like 6-year-olds in China. Okay, look at this. Look at this. Boom, boom. Let's take a peek. We got little instructions. We don't need that. We don't need that little guy. Got a little plastic case here. Let's see what we got. Okay, so that's locked. It's unlocked, okay? Locked, unlocked, which means, see, trigger, unlocked, okay? We got some gloves. I'm not sure if they're cut proof or just here to be here. We got some little tools, an extra chain, screwdriver, a brush to clean off the parts of it, which you don't really need. You can just clean it with a rag or something. And this tool, which I'm guessing is going to tighten the bar. Yep. Okay, so you got this here, and you'll loosen by tightening this. Pull that down, just like a chainsaw. So they're using that. Okay.
And then that's lube.
Here's some oil.
Or oil.
It says it's pre-lubed. What?
Yeah.
Where?
I'm saying that it's supposed to be like lube or oil or something.
Yeah, I would just use bar and chain oil on it. You can use this. I'll see what this does. We'll try this first, but I'm gonna put bar and chain oil. And look at this. Oh man. Oh man, you don't even know how bad I needed some of these. Weird science, science, science. No? Okay, I don't know. Okay, here's a box. Charge it. So it looks like they just plug in to charge, just like that. There's no actual charging case. And there's no way to tell if they have power. So let's see what we got from startup. Usually they got a little juice. There we go. Okay. I'm gonna take this guy. I'm gonna grab this little, it looks like regular machine oil, which isn't really gonna be good enough. But okay. And it goes down, so you're gonna start the oil here because it'll see. It's in there too. There's no self-oiling, it looks like, so you're gonna have to carry something around with you to make sure that it doesn't get too bogged down in junk chunk. Okay, let's go give it a try.
Okay.
You know, this is when you get tired of pulling out the gas chainsaw. Maybe I'll pull it out and we'll do a run through with my CS40 341 Echo. It's a light commercial, or my Still 44. My Still 44 is going to smoke this probably, but this is nice. You just get it out, and you got to pull that big old thing out and wear you out and you back. So let's go. Ready? Let's see what we got here. Ready? Ooh, it's a little rough. It's kicking. So, 6-inch blade. I don't know what size they say, but this is 3 inches maybe. And it had a little, I mean, it cut through, but it was, as you can see, kind of rough, kind of rough. This is a harder wood though, but it's dead. It's a little rough. You cannot do it, you can't hold it out. You do that, it's just pulling itself in. So this is some kind of
guard or
safety guard. I don't really know what it's for. Maybe you flip it off when you use it. I don't know. I really don't know what it's for. Okay. But it cuts through. I mean, it got through and will save me from having to break out the big old chainsaw. But being a little rough on it. Let me see what else I got. We're gonna pause and see if I get some other kind of wood we can use. Little part. Much cleaner with different wood. Okay, Al? So let's try this big fat part. It's a bigger area than that one, but so look at that. When I switch switched over to this, some kind of maple probably. Right through it. A lot faster than the other
Try
one.
this mulberry or
What?
whatever. This mulberry or
Let's
whatever
try
it is.
some mulberry. I'll bring it over there. I'll bring it over there. Here's some mulberry. It's itty bitty. Let's see what we got. Okay.
Oh, careful.
Had a little trouble. Yeah, no, I'm being a little rough with it. It's not a real saw.
Yeah.
So I'm not being as safe as I should be.
It's still a saw.
Yeah. No. Alright, yeah. So I just want to try. See what you got. I know it's a saw, but it's not a real saw, so I'm not being cautious. I mean, it's going right through quickly for what it is. I didn't think it'd be that good. I mean, it's probably just as quick as my still CS40, but you gotta get the gas power and everything. I'm pausing, sure. There you go. My Echo CS440. I think I said still for a second. I got still too. It's a light duty commercial. It is dull, but I don't feel like messing with it and sharpening it for the video. Just see. Ready? Let's see what holds up to that. So. I'd say about the same. This blade's dull. If it wasn't dull, it would have went through quicker and would have beat that. I was being cautious. It's a saw. I hold it a little different. I wasn't even that cautious. Alright. I guess let's see if we can get through this big fat one. I don't think that's going to happen. As you can see, this cut here, that did yesterday. It's a real saw. Let's see what we can do. Okay? Got a view? Work, y'all. I mean, it is putting in work. Look at that. Nope, nope. Oh. Chain got pinched. There you go. Smells like it's burning it.
Is it?
Like the motor might be burning it. Technically over its size limit. Even though it's a 6-inch bar, this log's about 6 inches across, and they do not say that on it. I think it says like 3 or 4. Good luck. If you want to take your chance and beat this up, it's going right through. I don't need to finish. Y'all can see it's going through. I'm not gonna. I'll finish it. Just see. I don't need that one to be cut off. I just wanted to see if it would do it. Now the problem is, what I'm having. The problem is that the angle I have it, so it's bending the bar. Come here, show. So I cut in this way, but when I cut in that way, it's slightly. Of wear and tear. I probably should have oiled it again. It's a long time with no lube. But I mean, it works. This is going to get the job done. Oh, battery's dead. Either that or the motor burned up. We're going to find out in a second. I'm going to get the other battery. Let's check out the other battery. It should have came. Alright, so update. These can hurt. Is there a mark on my face?
Right here?
Yeah, all over?
Yeah.
They're stabbing me in my face. Don't want to wear these. Okay? We went and changed batteries. It did die from the battery, but that was not charged. A little bit of battery. Okay? So, there we go. I mean, there's the size of the bar. So 5 inches of it through it, and it's a hardwood, guys. As you can see, look, see this? Those are burn marks from my Echo going through, but the blade needs to be sharpened. But still, that's a real chainsaw. You know, if you're older, and don't have the power to use a chainsaw, they're strong. Maybe for females, I don't want to say females can't use a chainsaw, but chainsaws beat you up. They beat you up, real ones. I don't know about the little dinkies, but I'm sure they all do. Even homeowners probably beat you up. A lot of work. You got a two-hand to really hold it because that kick on that one cut you up. Whereas this, you can be in here, kind of safe as much as you can back, and hold on to the thing at the same time. You got stuff smaller than that, this could be your thing. I'll try to do an update. We get 30 days to return it and see how it keeps going through. Because like I said, I don't feel like breaking out. I got this chainsaw and I got one like a 20-inch bar. No, it's like a 26 in it. 26-inch bar. It's a still 44 Magnum. It's huge. It's like 70 cc. It weighs like 15 pounds.
And they cut through live stuff different too, but we don't have anything.
Yeah, I can. Here. Look, there's this little guy right here somewhere. I'm gonna go back through that thing back there. All right, so we're gonna go through the live, see a difference as far as she came up with that idea. Here we go. Above your head, which is dangerous. Ever go above your head with a saw, what I'm doing. So I'm just letting you know. And it's done. Battery's toast. But look at that. I'll charge it up and we'll see if we can get back through. It is kind of putting off the smell that electric motors do though when they're burning up. So we will find out. The motor's right here. I'm gonna pull this and clean it, but there's not a lot of debris in there. It's really not that bad. So I have a feeling it's burning up, but both batteries could have just ran out. This one ran out faster than the other one. So if I don't update, that's it. But I might add an update to it after I charge these for a little bit and see if I can get through that log real quick. You saw I got halfway through it easily.
Yeah.
So better wood, that's a maple. Maples are easier to cut usually. I think that's it. Yeah. I'll put a link to this below if you like it. Like I said, but it could be just because it's new break-in period. I am abusing it right away too. I'm like, no charge, just kick its butt. You agree? But you got something like that or a bunch of like stuff like this and you cut down, this should get the job done. Just so you know though, how it pulls in, you cut little things are dangerous and saws. This may be easier though, I don't know. What you want to do if you do is come in, hold the end. Because branches like these go like this when you try to cut them with a chainsaw because they're not really that big enough. So if that's what kind of thing you're buying it for, be careful. If you like the video, please like, subscribe. If a little bit helps during these times. Like I said, I'll put a link below. You buy that. Same price as if you don't buy it through my link, but you might give me like, what was this, 60 bucks? 59?
63 or something.
$63, a lot cheaper than a lot of them. Had high reviews. So far it's been good, and like I said, I'll do an update. But 63 bucks. Would it come in a day? 2 days? 2 days?
A day.
One day. Same day ship it showed up, Amazon. But you know, buy this, give me probably 50 cents maybe. Help you, help me, help you. That's it. As always, I'm RJ. Seize the day, each and every day. Bye-bye. I'm gonna see if we can finish this off real quick. Okay? Hold on to it. Look at that. Took it right off. Boom, boom, boom. So that's it. That's the end of the video. It got through. Just so you know, I think it overheated. Or it sat a few minutes, the battery got better. That's all. We didn't go in and charge it. And after a minute, it was just like, oh, I work again. And now it did. So I think it was getting overheated. And that's why it gets smell. So you're going to have to be careful with it. Make sure you oil it often. I don't think this is enough oil. I think a bar and chain oil you're going to want. So bye-bye.